Listen here, family. There's an indicator out there that everybody has access to, but a lot of people are really not leveraging it, and I think it's the most powerful tool or indicator that anybody can actually use, and that indicator is volume. When you know how to use volume correctly and you're able to identify volume and compare that to actual price action, the candlesticks, you're able to see some clues that the market leaves for us. Today we did just that. We read the volume on a push down on gold, right? We seen a strong bearish candle on the 5-minute time frame. We had a lot of volume as well that supported that candle, but we didn't have no follow. We essentially ended up getting some buy side absorption on that actual candlestick because the next candle ended up engulfing back to the upside, and that itself gave us a beautiful opportunity to get an entry in the markets, and that's exactly how we made a bag today. So go ahead, enjoy this recap, family. If you guys enjoy it, if you guys want more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this recap.
What's going on, guys? What is up? What is up? What is the word? It's your boy Abel checking in for the one time. Super excited to be here with every single one of you guys once again. Hopefully we can have another really good session today, man. Yesterday we had a really good trade that we called out. US 30 played out to damn near perfection, and let's see what we can get today. I think it's gonna be another banger. I think we're gonna have another good time. In terms of gold looks pretty interesting, man. Gold did end up closing back above here, the 24-26 level that we were playing off of yesterday. This is the level, man, that was really kicking our ass, just taking its time to break. It's like, just like I mentioned to y'all, right? I said, watch, when we get off stream, gold is actually gonna start moving. And as soon as we got off stream yesterday, gold actually started moving. But that same exact level, I want to keep my eye on, right? I want to keep my eye on right on this 24-25 level, because we could come right back into this level, form some support, and then from there, you know, start to target up to the 24-40 levels, right? So that's really what I would like to see here. See if this level can hold. If we do get below 24-25, there's always a chance that we go ahead and go back towards that 24-10 level. But we'll have to wait and see. All right, keep our eyes on this, because we are literally about to test this level once again, and how we play off of here can really dictate, you know, a possible entry for us. So we'll see what we get there. Gold is dancing around that 24-25. Yeah, I want to see how this plays out, man. You know, we are about 25 minutes out from the open. All right, if this does continue to hold here, you know, especially after something like this, right? Again, read this play here, guys, right? We had a super strong candle. We had a lot of volume behind it. If this ends up closing above the trigger line, right, which my trigger line is essentially right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, right, which is at like 24-28. This could be a solid entry here, right? This could be a solid entry. Stops below these lows, target up to the 2400s, 24-440s. Hey, we gotta see, man. The only reason why I'm looking at it is because, again, I'm reading price action. We had a super strong push here. Super strong candle in the 5-minute, tapped into the 24-25. We had a lot of bearish volume, right? That got completely absorbed. Like, we didn't get no real follow through after all this volume. Like, what's the point of having all this volume and no real follow through afterwards? So if we get above my trigger line, this could be a trigger line entry here. All right, let's see how this closes in the next 2.5 minutes. If this closes above it, then yeah, I might end up taking a little buy here, taking a little stab, our first stab of the day, and seeing how that plays out. But we'll keep our eye on this for sure. See, look at this right here. Look at this gold though. See, now this is looking very attractive. I want to see how we close here, right? Because this could still end up spiking back down and leave this wick to the upside. But like right now, we just took out this previous candle high. Like, this is what we call clear absorption in volume, right? All this sell volume right here, right? Super strong candle went absolutely nowhere. No follow through. The demand, the buyers completely absorbed all this selling pressure that we had here. If we close like this as an engulfing, if we close even above the highs, then that's such an easy play to go ahead and you know, ride us up to the 24-40 level, in my opinion. But we did get a nice close above our trigger line here on gold. We are doing a little bit of a pullback right now, but I think this does have a very good chance to actually spike up and continue bullish here. I think I'm going to take a little bit of a testy test here. Again, I'm not going to go crazy on this position whatsoever. Like I told y'all, we're not going crazy, but I do like what we've seen here, right? Tested the lows. The essential, the sell volume ended up getting completely absorbed. Closed back bullish above our trigger line. Yeah, I'm taking a little buy here, family. I'll let this play out. All right, I took a buy here on gold. You know, I want to see it just continue to go back up to these 24-40s now at this point, and we're gonna let this play out. It's our first trade of the day. If we win, we win. If we lose, then we'll just, you know, shake it off and get back into the drawing board. But I really like how we absorb this selling volume that we seen there, so we'll let that play out. We are about 15 minutes out from the open, so we'll see if this open can help us out. What is Liquidity? That is another indice, right? But that is like a German-based indice, right? If you guys wonder how I know so much stuff, I leverage AI. Gemini.google. Google's version of AI is one of my favorites. Let me actually see what GER40 is. What is GER40? R40, right? And AI gonna give you the answer, all right? Also known as the DAX, is a stock market index that tracks the performance of the 40 largest and most liquid German companies listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. It is the main stock index of Germany and one of the most important stock indexes in Europe. AI, baby, AI for the win. You guys know, anytime you guys bring up something, right, that I just don't know of, guess what I do? I type in what you guys asked into AI, and then AI gives me all the information, and I'm able to go ahead and, you know, tell you exactly what I just learned. All right, so I highly encourage you guys to do the same thing, right? One of the best things that I feel like I am able to do, family, I think one thing that helped me out tremendously through my journey was how resourceful I am, right? I don't just rely on anybody to give me information, right? I'll ask questions, but I also do my own research as well, right? And AI makes it so easy. I don't even Google anything anymore. There's no point in me Googling anything when we have AI. So I AI everything. So you got to be resourceful in this game, family. If you do have a question about anything, you guys can always ask me. I'm always going to give you an answer if I have it. But also be resourceful as well. You know, don't just rely on what I'm saying, because I could be wrong too. I could be interpreting things that are certain, you know, that are wrong. So definitely be resourceful. Being resourceful is massive on this journey of entrepreneurship as a trader. You know, so leverage tools like AI to get you guys also some answers as well, for sure. We are 5 minutes out, man. Gold is pushing though, family. Let's go, gold. Come on, baby. This is gonna be a nice, beautiful, easy day. Come on now. Come on, Lee. Come on, Lee. Let's go. Anybody take a gold stab with me, family? Or am I the only one eating right now? Because I feel bad if I'm the only one eating right now. I'm gonna truly feel bad. All right, what I'm gonna do though, I know I shouldn't do this because it always stops me out, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove the risk on this trade. I don't want this to come back down and hit me out. If it does, then I'll just go ahead and look for a re-entry. But I'm also, because of my rules, I'm gonna close something. Typically I've been closing a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and close 5 contracts on this position as well, so we can secure some partials. So we are now W for the day. Let me modify my orders. We ended up grabbing around 40 pips on this. This is around 40 pips. Yeah, around 50 pips on gold so far. We have 50 pips on this bad boy. I did close 5 contracts, essentially half of my position. Secured some partials, baby. And now we let the rest go to TP, baby. Let's go. Family, that's another W. Can I get a W in the chat, man? We on fire. Hold on. We gotta play our Blue Party song, man. This is a W day already. Can I get some W's in the chat, family? Even if you ain't take no trade. Even if you ain't take no trade. Throw some W's in the chat. Throw some W's in the chat. This was a very quick 50 pips. Just like that, in a matter of 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so. We still got some open, but I am break even on this position. I can't lose now. There's no losing. I already secured about 300 bucks. Still floating around 230. Hey. W day, man. Yo, we've been on fire, family. We've been on fire, man. Come on now. Let's go. What was the total? All right, I believe this was just a 1-1. Yeah, essentially a 1-1 when I ended up taking partials. My overall trade was a 2-1, but this was a 1-1. So we ended up closing half at a 1-1. I'll take it. But we started this account this week, only up 100 bucks. Currently we're at 100 we're at 108 100,008. How do I say this? 100,800 bucks. 100,800 bucks. Is that how I say it? If I were to close my position now, we're close at a full 1%. Like I said, we're gonna grow this account, man. All we gotta do is make 6%, and yeah, we'll see. We're gonna grow this thing, baby. We're gonna grow this account. We gonna get funded, and we gonna get the payouts all documented live in real time with y'all, so you guys can know that it is real and we can actually do it together. I see a few of you guys had some solid entries. I see Kevin had a 2411 entry. Golly, Kevin, where was our signal at, bro? Like, Kev, come on, bro. Like, how'd you, like, what? And you ain't even tell us in the Discord? Like, that's a crazy entry. You got Janoy, big 518 in the building. Shit, Janoy got that 2417 entry. Okay. Damn, where was the call out, Janoy? I just realized you ain't even call it out either for us, man. Family, I hope y'all not gatekeeping these entries, man. I hope you're not gatekeeping, especially Janoy, because you from the 518 too, bro. Like, we supposed to stick together, bro. Like, come on, man. I need them entries, man. Come on. He said I can never let y'all eat alone. That's what I like to hear, Aaron. That's what I like to hear, man. Let's go. Hit my percentage for the day on gold. Come on now. Big round of applause for Ninja. Let's get it. Let's get it. Big round of applause. I really need $1. That's crazy, bro. $1. You only need $1 to pass. Now watch it. No, I'm not even gonna jinx it. I was gonna say, I'm gonna still say it because I know I got confidence in you. Watch that $1 be the hardest $1 you ever make in your freaking life, bro. I swear it always happens. Like, it always happens, right? That last 0.5% be the hardest 0.5% of your life. That last $1 gonna be the hardest $1 you gotta make in your life. I swear that shit always happens. I'm telling you. I don't know why. I know why. It's because our emotions start to get really riled up, right? When we're that close to passing, that's when our emotions go crazy, right? They get too hectic, too crazy, and we just lose control and we start to spiral and we end up doing dumb shit and then we end up blowing the account. That shit happens like crazy, bro. Let's see. Took oil buys this morning. It's lit. Let's go, Free Zone. Another round of applause for Free Zone. Let's go. Come on now. 1 to 6 partial secure. I'm celebrating. Let's go. Another round of applause for you two. Come on now. We celebrating, family. We celebrating all these wins, man. Come on. I'm all about celebrating. I'm all about celebrating. I'm all about positivity, especially in this niche, family, right? In this trading niche, we have probably, can you guys correct me if I'm wrong? Like, this trading niche that we're in is probably one of the most toxic niches in the entire world, bro. People constantly pocket watching, people talking shit, people doing this, people doing that, trying to expose people. Like, I understand exposing people that are actually scamming, cool, right? But I don't even got time to do that, bro. Like, I'm focused on positivity. I'm focused on following my plan, getting in, getting the bag, and getting the hell out. But we have such a toxic niche. Like, it's not even freaking funny. It's focus on your own bag, bro. Focus on yourself, bro. Focus on your bag, man. So whenever a chance that we get to celebrate, I'm gonna be the one celebrating. I'm trying to be the one pushing positivity. Y'all ain't never gonna hear me talk shit about no trader. I don't care about anything. I'm just all about positivity and creating an actual atmosphere, an actual environment that we are all comfortable to be able to be in. That's just me being honest. I can't stand. I'm sorry, I just went on a little rant, family, but it just bothers me how toxic this industry is. Like, it just bothers the hell out of me. Gold is still holding strong. Come on, gold. Keep going for us, baby. Come on. Let's see. Is gold hit me out break even yet? Gold is still here. Gold is still holding. This can give us another entry now, family. Again, I'm gonna let this play, right? Did get the my last remainder hit at break even, which is cool. It is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, these is chilling. But family, I'm about to wrap this up, man. I'm about to go ahead and jump off this thing. I gotta go ahead and handle some business. You know the vibes. I love y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in for another beautiful, phenomenal session. Another W in the day. Can you guys drop some W's in the chat one last time before we jump off this? All right, W's in the chat one last time, because today was another banger. We on fire this week. We catching some solid plays. Appreciate y'all. Without y'all, I wouldn't be able to do this. I promise y'all I wouldn't. So thank you guys for showing up once again. And I hope you guys have a great rest of y'all day, family. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Take care.